Homemade Roz Bukhari with peanut sprinkle, Iftar and Ramadan special, easy and affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. And today we have a special treat for you, homemade Roz Bukhari with a delightful peanut sprinkle. Perfect for Iftar and Ramadan, this recipe is not only delicious but also affordable and beginner-friendly. Before we jump into the kitchen, make sure to hit the subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our mouth-watering recipes. Now, let's get started. Let's go through the ingredients you'll need for our homemade Roz Bukhari with peanut sprinkle. 1. Basmati rice, 2 cups. 2. Chicken bone-in, skinless, 500 grams. 3. Cooking oil, 1/4 cup. 4. Onions, finely sliced, 2 large. 5. Tomatoes, chopped, 2 medium. 6. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. 7. Yogurt, ½ cup. 8. Roz Bukhari spice mix, 2 tablespoons. You can find this at your local grocery store or prepare it at home using a mix of spices like cumin, coriander, cloves, and cinnamon. 9. Salt, to taste. 10. Water, 4 cups. For peanut sprinkle. 1. Peanuts, roasted and crushed, ½ cup. 2. Fresh coriander, chopped, 2 tablespoons. 3. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. 4. Salt, to taste. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Preparation, Part 1, Roz Bukhari. 1. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak it in water for 30 minutes. 2. In a large pot, heat the cooking oil over medium heat. 3. Add the finely sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. 4. Stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute until the raw smell disappears. 5. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil begins to separate. 6. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are browned on all sides. 7. Mix in the yogurt, Roz Bukhari spice mix, and salt. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. 8. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot, stirring gently to coat the rice with the flavorful mixture. 9. Pour in the water, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the chicken is tender. Preparation, Part 2, Peanut sprinkle. 1. While the Roz Bukhari is cooking, let's prepare the peanut sprinkle. 2. In a bowl, combine the crushed peanuts, chopped fresh coriander, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Mix well and set it aside. Our aromatic Roz Bukhari is ready, and now it's time to assemble our dish. Let's plate it up. 1. Fluff the rice gently with a fork. 2. Serve the Roz Bukhari on a platter, making sure to arrange the chicken pieces evenly. 3. Sprinkle the peanut mixture generously over the top, adding a burst of flavor and crunch to every bite. There you have it, homemade Roz Bukhari with a delightful peanut sprinkle. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. This dish is not only a perfect addition to your iftar during Ramadan but is also budget-friendly and easy for beginners. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes coming your way. Ramadan Mubarak, and until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much, Roz Bukhari, with a delightful peanut lovers.